Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I've been asked to do a video about one of our award-winning cars, so I picked a really special one, the EV6. It has won North American Car of the Year, Motor Week Driver's Choice Award, and holds a Guinness World Record for shortest charging time to cross the entire continental United States. So some really exciting accolades and more to come in Kia's first dedicated platform electric vehicle. Still have some exciting options available for it, including this one, which won't get you quite the range. What it will get you is some obscene acceleration. This has a low 3-second 0 to 60 and still a very competent range in the low 200 range. And it looks awesome. And this one's a 2023, only about 1,000 miles on it, certified pre-owned, so you can get it at a significant discount from what this car would sell for brand new, if you can even find one. So if you're looking for a really exciting car, whether this one or if you'd like a Wind or any other trim of the EV6, we have options to produce it. Just shoot us a call or stop by today.